In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to play the song Mood by 24kGoldn, so stay tuned. Hey everyone, this is Matt from You Can Uke, and every week I'm releasing new song tutorials so you can learn how to play the ukulele. So don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss a lesson, and consider joining me on Patreon where I have a chord chart available for this tutorial. Alright, let's check out this song together. Now before we can start playing the song Mood, we first make sure that our ukulele is in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A. And if you need help tuning your ukulele, then make sure that you check out my online ukulele tuner video. Next, there's 4 chords that we need to know or play this song. And those chords are D major, F sharp minor, A major, and E4. Let's check out those chords together. So the first chord for this song is D major. To play that, take your second finger, press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, take your 3rd finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, then take your 4th finger and press down on the 2nd string of the 2nd fret. This is D major. The next chord is F sharp minor. To play that, take your 1st finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 1st fret, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 2nd string of the 2nd fret. This is F sharp minor. The next chord is A major. To play that, take your 1st finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 1st fret, then take your 2nd finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is A major. And the last chord for the song is E4. To play that, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 4th string of the 4th fret, take your 3rd finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 4th fret, then take your 4th finger and press down on the 2nd string of the 4th fret. This is E4. Now we're going to learn the strum pattern for this entire song. It's just going to be down, down, pause, tap. Let's play through that chord progression now on the D major chord. 1, 2, down strum 2, ready, go. Down, tap, down, pause, tap. 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 Now we're going to learn the chord progression for this entire song. It's just going to be D major for 3 beats, F sharp minor for 5 beats, A major for 3 beats, and E4 for 5 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by bringing out each chord. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now let's apply that chord progression with the strum pattern. 1, 2, down, strum, D major, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now that we know the chords, the chord progression, and the strum pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through Mood. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We play games of love to avoid the depression. We've been here before, and I won't be your victim. Why you always in a mood, walking around acting brand new? I ain't trying to tell you what to do, but try to play it cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with the view. Why you always in a mood, walking around acting brand new? I ain't trying to tell you what to do, but try to play it cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with the view. Now, if you want to play through the rest of that song, then check out my ukulele cover for Mood. And that's You Play Mood by 24kGoldn. Thank you so much for checking out this tutorial. I hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Also, I want to give a special thanks to my friends at Flight Music for sponsoring this video. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below so you can check out more of their products. And finally, I want to invite you to join the You Can Uke community on the Vibely app. This is a place where you can engage with other ukulele players, join cool challenges, and win free prizes. So download it today. It's completely free. It's available to all Android and Apple devices. Again, don't forget to subscribe, to join me on Patreon, and to check out these next tutorials so you can keep practicing and keep playing, because you can uke.